All right, I just received these bad boys in the mail, and these are, if you can read them right there, Powxs 3200 AA lithium battery. Power up your batteries. And it says AA 1.5V long lasting, and then it's got the little warning sign here. Gives you the information about that. Do not, you know, heat. Don't put these on a saucepan, and they're non-rechargeable. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these bad boys, and we need to test them out on a product. So I do have this trail camera. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these lithium batteries, which are supposed to be really good and last a long time, inside of my trail camera. That way I can leave it out there for a month. To open it, I just pop open the sides here, just like that. And then I go here, and then I'm just going to pop this out here. And then here is where the battery goes. I've got these 4 in there, so we'll take these out. All right, put them to the side. They still have a little bit of a charge in them, but we want to try these out. So we're going to go ahead and get these out of here. I'm going to pop this open, and we're going to go ahead and put all 8 of them in there. That way we'll get, we're going to get a lot of time on this, and we can leave it out for a while. Hopefully we'll get some interesting video. To get it in there, it's a pain in the butt. There we go. 1, 2. I'm going the negative side, goes against the spring, of course. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last but not least, 8. Bam. Ugh. All right, we're in there. Let me turn it around so you can see the name. It's going to be upside down on some of them, but so that's the name of these, and they're AA. They're AA. Here we go, right there. And these are all lithium, so they're supposed to last a long time. But we're going to find out. Let's go ahead and get our battery door. Close it. All right, it's ready to go. Let's check it out. Let's pop it over. It should tell us how much charge we got. All right, we're 100% right there. Bam, ready to go. Now all we do is, to set it, I'm going to put it on off now until I find my spot where I'm going to put it, because I don't want to waste the battery. We've got the card in, right? Bam, it's in there. And now all we got to do is close her up for now. We'll find our spot where we're going to put it, and then we'll put it to the on position. All right, so I'm going to put it out here by my pool and see if I can capture any animals, and we're going to find out how long these batteries will last. They could be out here a couple months. We'll see what happens. All right, I'm going to just go ahead and turn it on, close her up, and then we will come back in a month or 2 and see if we still got battery charge, and we'll see what the heck we captured on the camera. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.